Get the shit out of me. You got a picture of him dozing? Yeah.
Say something, Butterscotch. Butterscotch.
Butterscotch.
What's up? Say something. Hello.
No comment.
No comment. Okay, you say something, Knuckles. I'm a good little cat.
Knuckles. You keep it cat.
Knuckleinder.
No, my hand smells of mutton. He'll bite.
You can bite.
Not that anything will happen.
Hello. Oi.
Hey,
He's wiped. He's wiped, is it?
Yeah. He's got a cut on the other side.
Battle cat.
Battle cat. Let's put you to sleep. And not.
What the fuck is that, Diksha?
Put you to tuck you in and go to sleep, put you to bed.
This is crazy piece of shit.
Wrong kind of sleep, man. See, like, dozy, good night.
Wow, look at that bloody chewed up side of his face, man.
Seriously, man, chewed is the word.
Okay.
Word little cat.
Chalo. Butterscotch, can I say something? Okay.
Man, I wish I could go pat her with
Dojing.
so that I'm hostile. You dare to disturb my sleep.
Good morning, Knuckles.
Look at him, yeah. He's the one who looks all
Killer like.
killer like.
Chala, good night.
He looks killed actually. Killer.